Hi, Ali and the team. I'm Fabian, I'm 43 and I'm from the north of France. I'm the president of a non-profit association dealing with self-improvement and tada, productivity. I'm applying for a scholarship because as a non-profit association, our financial means are limited. My mission as a side hustle president is to provide good contents to side hustle entrepreneurs and team manager in company who can't afford traditional courses to improve themselves as they start in their business. Today I communicate to my followers with a podcast, but I'd really like to communicate with video and so with YouTube. And especially because YouTube can, with the SEO when it's very well constructed, bring most followers. I must say that your journey, Ali, is inspiring me because I find that there are a lot of similarity between us and our wishes to give excellent content to everyone, and in the journey of being a side hustle to full-time activity. In addition to my goals, I'd like that this academy bring me a full-time job in my association, and these are the reason why I'll apply to this wonderful part-time YouTuber Academy. Furthermore, as a non-native English speaker and as my YouTube channel will be in French, I know that I won't benefit from all the feedback from the community aspect, but I know that the momentum of the community will bring me wonderful engagement and results. Thanks for watching me and have a good day.